Well, today I'll be showing you the Slice card that I have recently received. Let me unbox it. Well, I must say this card is coming up with exciting offers, of cashback offers especially. So as you buy anything through your card or online transaction, so you will be getting reward points to the exact amount of what you have bought. Suppose you bought 6,500 rupees some category, and you will be getting 6,500 reward points, which you can redeem as 1% cashback for the first time, and slowly with the use of the card you will be achieving 2% cashback. But it is, while I am using, it is very friendly and I like the card as well as the offers. So let me help you out with the application, how you're going to be using it. There is one more good offer, is either you can be getting the cashback of 2% or 1% for the initial, or you split the amount for 3 months at 0% EMI. So this is how my application looks like, and I have spent 6,750 rupees using all Zomato and all, and see my reward points is 8,001, and as I circulate around I'll be getting an 1% cashback of 81 rupees. On pressing convert to cash, this 81 amount will be subtracted from your bill amount. But whereas you can just accumulate the monies till 1.5 and 2%, that is 5 lakh monies, and afterwards you can use the whole. As now you can also see there are various offers like cashback in Ola, Bumble, etc. And whereas other than that, top offers are also there like Big Basket, Swiggy, these Levi's and all. You can also avail these offers. I hope you're excited to get this card, and I'll give you the link below in the description box. Some terms and conditions that you need to know: that there is no joining fee, there is no annual fee, and there is no charges taken for till 3 months of payment in split manner. If you download the app from my link, you'll get 300 rupees cashback that will be subtracted from your bill. It is a credit card for all, and it will help you to build your CIBIL score also. Like other bank credit cards, it doesn't require any salary limit, so anyone can get it.